Welcome to TK-Enter GUI Application Development Projects by Bhaskar Chaudhary, a video course by Packt Publishing. I am Doug Stevens, and I will be Bhaskar's voice for this course. Bhaskar Chaudhary is a professional programmer and information architect. He has an experience of almost 9 years in consulting, contracting, and educating in the field of software development. He has worked with a large set of programming languages on various platforms over the years. He is an electronics hobbyist and a musician in his free time. So let's now talk about TK-Enter GUI application development. TK-Enter GUI application development projects will walk you through the process of developing real-world graphical applications using Python and TK-Enter, the built-in GUI module of Python. This video course highlights the features and capabilities of TK-Enter while demonstrating best practices involved in writing GUI programs, irrespective of the library you choose to build your application with. Here, you will learn how to use TK-Enter to develop exciting, fun, and useful GUI applications with TK-Enter and Python. We hope to take you on a fun journey through more than 10 projects from different problem domains. As we develop new applications in each project, the video course also builds up a catalog of some commonly used strategies to develop real-world applications. Now, let's look at our course. We'll start from scratch, providing an overview of TK-Enter and covering details of how to create root windows, add widgets to a root window, handle layout with geometry managers, and work with events. The next section dives into develop a text editor in the procedural style of programming. It gives readers their first taste of several features of TK-Enter and what it is like to develop a real application. Later, we will see the uses of object-oriented programming to develop a drum machine that is capable of playing user-composed rhythms. The application can also save compositions and later edit or replay them. Here, you will learn the techniques of designing a GUI application using a model-first philosophy and how to write multi-threaded GUI applications. After that, we will introduce key aspects of structuring a GUI application using the Model View Controller (MVC) architecture. It also teaches the art of taking a real-world object, chess, and modeling it in the notations that your program can manipulate. It also introduces readers to the power of the TK-Enter Canvas widget. The further section introduces the concepts of working with external libraries while showing you how to work with many different TK-Enter widgets. Most importantly, it shows you how to make your own TK-Enter widgets, thereby extending the capabilities of the TK-Enter manifold. Finally, we will look at the TK-Enter Canvas widget in detail. As you will see, the Canvas widget is truly a highlight of TK-Enter. The course also introduces the concept of the GUI framework, thereby creating reusable code for all your future programs. The programs discussed in this video course have been developed on the Ubuntu platform. However, given the multi-platform abilities of TK-Enter, you can easily work along on other platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, and other distributions of Linux. For this video course, you will require Python version 3.4 with TK-Enter 8.6 in most parts of the distribution. The links to download and install other project-specific modules and software are mentioned in the respective sections. This video course is for software developers, scientists, researchers, engineers, students, and programming hobbyists with a basic familiarity with Python will find this book interesting and informative. A motivated Python newbie with a background in writing programs can fill in the gaps of knowledge with a little outside research. People familiar with basic programming constructs and other programming languages can also catch up with some brief reading on Python. No GUI programming experience is expected. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey together, and I hope you enjoy the ride.